The future of driving is here, and it's called the 2023 Peugeot 408. With cutting-edge technology and elegant design, this car is sure to turn heads and provide an unparalleled driving experience. From the moment you lay eyes on the 408, you know it's something special. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a world of comfort and sophistication. The cabin is spacious and refined, with premium materials and advanced features that put you in control. The 408 is packed with the latest technology, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system and advanced driver assist features that make driving easier and safer than ever before. Under the hood, the 408 delivers an impressive performance, thanks to its powerful and efficient engine. With responsive handling and a smooth ride, this car is designed to make every journey a joy. The 2023 Peugeot 408, the future of driving, is here. Experience it for yourself today.